Hello my friends, my name is Mohammad Naveed and in this lecture I am going to teach you relationships in MS Access. In order to learn relationships in MS Access, first we need to create a database. So what we do, definitely we'll click on Billing Desktop Database and here's asking the name of our database. I say database 27 is fine and then I will click on OK, and as you can see then now definitely we have table in our database. And definitely what we will do, definitely we have table, so we will take another table. So in order to take another table, what will I do, I will go and I will click on create and I'll click on table, and as you can see that now we have two tables. Okay, so definitely we needed two tables and right now we have two tables. So what I do, I simply go in the design view of first table, so right click and I will click on design view, and he is asking do you want to give name to this table. I say table 1 is fine and I will click on OK, and as you can see that now I am in design view of table 1. So here I will say ID row number is fine, and then I say the names, different names, so different names, and different the data type will be short text, fine, and then we have courses and short text, and I will go in the design view of table 2, and I say table 2 name is fine, and I will give the same field which I give here. So I say that names, okay, names, different names, and then courses. And what I do next, I will go in the first table and I will click on ID, and definitely I select this and I will click on primary key. So I will remove primary key from here, and definitely I will keep my primary key on, you can say, on names, and definitely same here, remove primary key on ID from ID, and definitely names, definitely. So you can see that now we have names as a primary key, getting me, name both. So definitely we will save both tables and we will close this both tables. So what we did, we definitely create a database and then we create two tables, and definitely we give same fields, okay, in two tables, and we made primary key names, okay. And then what we do, we will go in database tools, and here what do we have, we have relationships. So definitely we'll click on relationships, and what I do, I simply hold down shift and I will click on second table number 2, and as you can see that now we have two tables. So what I do, I simply click and drag from the, I will click on names and I simply click and drag this from this name, from table 1 name to table table 2 name, and the two names, and as I click on it, as you can see that now we have a window. So I will check all the check boxes and then click on create, and as you can see that now we have a relationship, names and names, okay, so they both are in relation, getting me. And what I do, I simply click on close, and I will definitely will save this, and I say click on save. Yes, as you can see that now we have created a successfully created a relationship. In order to see the relationship, I will click any of my table. So I will click and I will open table number 1, and as you can see that now we have table number 1. So here I will say names, I say Naveed, and the courses I say that MS Office. And as you can see that now we have a plus, now a plus sign, getting me. So what is the mean of this plus? The mean of this plus is that showing that you are right now in table right now in table 1, but with this plus you can enter data on table 2. So for example, if I say here courses will be MS, or you can say Java, okay. So definitely this is a table, this is data of table number 1, and if I click on this plus, so this is a table of this is data of table number 2, and definitely the name will remain same. Why? Because we made relation with names, getting me. So if I close this and if I click on table number 2 and if I open this table 2, as you can see that now we have ID number 1, names Navi, definitely names will remain same in both tables, and as you can see that here we have courses. In the courses what do we have Java, and if I click on table 1, so as you can see that now we have Navi, names and courses. In the table number what do we have MS Office. So in table number 1 MS Office, and in table 2 what do we have Java, getting me. So this is the way to definitely create a relationship. Definitely with the help of the relationship, if we have a data in, for example, in table 1, so with the help of this relation we can enter data in table 2. And if let's suppose if definitely if you have data in table 2 and if you want to enter data in table 1, so with the help of this relation we can enter. So definitely this was a lecture on relationships. I hope you have understood. For more videos, lecture and exercises, come to my website www.naveedplace.com. Allah fi amanillah, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.